Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. I am your computer teachers. Today we will discuss lesson first, computer networking. This is my first lecture. So let's start this video. Definitions and applications. Definition: a computer network is defined as the interconnections of two or more computers. It is done to enable the computers to communicate and share available resources. Means computer network is defined as the interconnection of two or more computer. When two or more computer connected through network is called the computer network. It is done to enable the computers to communicate and share available resources. Applications of computer networking: sharing of resources such as printer, sharing of expensive software and database, communication from one computer to another computer, exchange of data and information among users via network, sharing of information over geographically wide area. Means this is the application of computer network. The use of computer network: sharing information like data communication. Do you prefer these? Share your information here, you store in your floppy disk or other. Means this is the main server and you can access this. Means this one is the sharing information. Next, sharing hardware or software. Print document. Suppose that one printer connect to 5 system, then you can print through 5 system. So sharing of a print document, hardware and software. Centralized administration and support. Through networking you can centralize your system in one main server to operate all things. So such type of activity performed by computer network. Other benefits of computer network: increase speed, reduce cost, improved security, centralized software management, electronic mail, flexible access. Other benefits of computer network. Disadvantage of networks: high cost of installation, requires time for administration, failure of server, cable fault. These are the disadvantage of network: high cost of installation, requires times of administrations, failure of server, cable fault. Components of computer network: two or more computers. Means for networking need two or more computers. Cables as links between the computers. Need a cable to link between two computer. A network interface card NIC on each computer. In each computer have a network interface card. Switches, software called the operating system OS. Means these are the component of computer network. So the classification of area by their geography. Means network are classified into 5 categories, but in your syllabus have only 3: LAN, MAN and WAN. But network are 5 types: PAN, LAN, WAN, MAN and CAN. So discuss here these three: LAN, WAN or WAN. LAN, local area network. LAN means local area network. LAN is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area such as an office, factory or group of buildings. Means LAN is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area like office, factory or group of buildings. LAN are easy to design and troubleshoot. Exchange of information and sharing of resources become easy because of LAN. Means exchange of information and sharing of resources easy because suppose that have a 3-story buildings and you want to connect through the LAN, then you can easy way to print out third building computer to first ground floor building. So this is the exchange of information and sharing of resources. In LAN, all machines are connected to single cable. Different types of topologies such as star, tree, bus, ring, etc. can be used in LAN, local area network. It is usually a privately owned network. When this is your own network. Next one, the metropolitan area network means MAN. It is in the between LAN and WAN. Means MAN network is between the LAN and WAN technology that cover the entire city. Means MAN means metropolitan area network is area near about your entire city, cover entire city. It uses similar technology as LAN. It can be single network such as cable TV network या measure of connecting a number of LANs, a large network, so that resources can be shared LAN to LAN as well as device to device. Means metropolitan area network cover the larger compared to the LAN area, and this is the example of different type of banks in your city connect to each other to share informations. So this is the example of MAN. Wide area network WAN. When network spans over a large distance, when the computers to be connected to each other are at widely separated location, a local area network cannot be used. Wide area network is installed. Means if you want to connect large distance, a large area, so you can install your networking is WAN, wide area network. The communication between different users of WAN is established using telephone lines, satellites, links and similar channels. Means WAN communicate between different users through satellite. It is cheaper and more efficient to use the phone's network for the link. Most WAN networks are used to transfer large blocks of data between its users. Means wide area network is used to large amount of distance, large area. The example of the wide area network is internet, because internet is connected all over the world through satellites, links, telephone lines. So when you want to connect a large area, then you can install WAN. If you connect a city, then you can use MAN. If you connect any buildings, office, then you can apply network LAN, local area network. And if you want to apply on your city, then MAN, metropolitan area network. If you want to connect all over the world, large distance, then you can use WAN, wide area network. Thanks. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. It means computer networks, advantage, disadvantage, usage, benefits. If you face any problem, contact my personal number given starting of this video. Each and every student learn. Thank you.